Hello everyone, in this video we are solve this interesting math question. It is a math Olympiad question. Y to the power 1 over 4 plus y to the power half is equal to 1, and we are find out what is the value of y in this radical question. So how to solve this question? Our question is y to the power 1 over 4 plus y to the power half is equal to 1. So first of all, let y to the power 1 over 4 is equal to x. Then if I use both sides square, so I can say easily y to the power 1 over 4 times 2 is equal to x to the power 2. Then in this case I can see easily this 4 divided 2, it will be 2, so it will be y to the power 1 over 2 is equal to x square. So I can see easily x is equal to y to the power 1 over 4 and x square it will be y to the power half. So in this case I can see easily y to the power 1 over 4 it will be x plus, and here is y to the power half, so it will be x square. So I can say x square is equal to 1. Then I can say easily it is a quadratic equation, so this equation becomes x square, this x square plus x, and when I move on this one in the left side we'll find out minus 1 is equal to 0. Then in this case I can see easily here is a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 1 and c is equal to minus 1. Then in this case I can see easily x is equal to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac over 2a. According to these tools I can say here is the value of x is equal to minus b is equal to 1, so I can say minus 1 plus minus square root b square, so 1 square minus 4a is 1 and c is minus 1 over 2a is 1. Then I can say here is x is equal to, look, in this case minus 1 plus minus square root, you know that here is minus and this is minus, so I can see easily minus minus it will be plus, so 4 plus 1 it will be 5 and over 2. But the value of x is minus 1 plus square root 5 over 2, and others below minus 1 minus square root 5 over 2. Look, here is plus minus. So remember that x is equal to y to the power 1 over 4, so it is a positive value. So in this case this value is negative, so positive not equal to negative, so I can say this is rejected. But in this case x is equal to minus 1 plus root over 5 over 2, so we'll find out y to the power 1 over 4 is equal to x. First of all we are let, so if I put this value in this case, so I can say easily y to the power 1 over 4 is equal to the value of x is minus 1 plus square root 5 over 2. Then if I use both side square, this time I can say y to the power 1 over 4 times 2 is equal to minus 1 plus square root 5 over 2 whole square. I use both side whole square. Then I can say easily this equation becomes y to the power, look, 4 divide 2, in this case I can see it will be 1 over 2 is equal to, in this case if you think it is a it is b, so I can say easily a minus b whole square, so it will be a square minus 2ab plus b square, so I can say square root 5 whole square minus 2a is root over 5 times b is 1 plus 1 square over 4. 2 square, it will be 4. I can say easily it is a, it is b. So in this case I can say easily y to the power 1 over 2 is equal to, look, square root is cancelled, it will be 5, and here is minus, it will be 2 square root 5, 1 square, it will be 1 over 4. Then I can say here is 5 plus 1, it will be 6. So in this case I can say easily y to the power 1 over 2 is equal to 6 minus square root 5 over 4. Look, we are finding out in this case y to the power half is equal to 5 minus 2 root over 5 plus 1 over 4. So 5 plus 1, it will be 6, and minus 2 square root 5 over 4 here is. Then I can say it will be y to the power half is equal to, here is 2 is common, so 2, in this case I can say it will be 3 minus square root 5 over 4. Then I can say easily y to the power half is equal to 2, it will be 4, 4 divided 2, it will be 2. Then in this case I can say it will be 3 minus square root 5 over 2. Then again I use both side whole square, so I can say it will be y to the power 1 over 2 times 2 is equal to 3 minus square root 5 over 2 whole square. Then I can say 2 to cancel, so we are find out here is y is equal to, I can say easily a minus b whole square again, and here is 2 square, it will be 4, and in this case I can say it will be 3 square minus 2 times 3 times b, it will be square root 5 plus square root 5 whole square. Then I can say easily here is y is equal to 4, and 3 square, it will be 9, so 9 minus 6 square root 5, 2 times 3, it will be 6, and here is square root is cancelled, it will be 5. Then I can see easily this equation becomes y is equal to, look, 9 plus 5, it will be 14 minus 6 square root 5 over 4. Then in this case I can say y is equal to, here is 2 is common, so it will be 7 minus 3 square root 5 over 4. Then 4 divide 2, it will be 2, so I can say easily it will be half 1 over 2, and here is 7 minus 3 square root 5. This is our final answer. This is the value of y in this Math Olympiad question, this Math Olympiad question. Thank you all. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe my channel and like this video. Goodbye, take care.